Skeleton watches reveal the intricate mechanical heart of a timepiece, offering a blend of horological artistry and technical prowess. For enthusiasts and everyday wearers alike, they balance visual drama with practical reliability. This comparison tests 5 skeleton-oriented or skeleton-adjacent watches across Bulova, Fossil, and Relic, spanning a spectrum from budget-friendly to premium automatics.
List number 1. Bulova Men's Classic Sutton 4-hand automatic watch. The 96A120 is Bulova's high-end, open-aperture, skeleton-influenced design that showcases a Japanese automatic movement through a partially open dial. It features a 42mm stainless steel case, brown leather strap, and exhibition caseback, with a distinct 24-hour sub-dial and luminous hands for legibility in low light. The combination of an automatic self-wind mechanism and a double-curved mineral crystal elevates its perceived premium feel, while water resistance remains modest at 99 feet, around 30 meters. Performance-wise, this Bulova leans towards a dressy sports aesthetic. The 41 to 42mm size offers a contemporary presence without overwhelming most wrists, and the 22mm brown leather strap provides a classic contrast to the brown dial. The 11mm thickness keeps it sleek for daily wear, but the open aperture and dial visibility can trade legibility for visual drama. The 24-hour sub-dial is a useful complication for tracking a second time zone or military time, though it isn't a true GMT. The exhibition caseback lets wearers admire the movement, but it also means the caseback is a potential vulnerability if exposed to rough use or heavy moisture beyond its 99 feet rating.
List number 2. Relic Men's Watch. The Relic ZR11853 is a budget-conscious automatic with a 42mm stainless steel case and a gray dial with a mineral crystal. It emphasizes a bold, modern look with a relatively slim 14mm profile and a lightweight 5-ounce build. Its dial design favors straightforward readability over a full skeleton execution, but the automatic movement and 165-foot water resistance provide practical daily wear credentials at a compelling price point. Performance-wise, the Relic offers strong value for first-time automatic buyers or those who want a large, confident wrist presence without premium price. The metallic gray palette and leather-upgraded bracelet style give it a versatile, everyday appeal. A 42mm diameter is comfortable for many wrist sizes, while the 14mm thickness keeps it unobtrusive under dress shirts. The relatively modest weight makes it suitable for all-day wear. However, the lack of a true skeleton dial means less construction detail of the movement is visible through the dial face. List number 3. Bulova Men's Classic Sutton Automatic Stainless Steel Bracelet Watch. This Bulova 96A208 is a stainless steel bracelet variant of the Sutton family, offering a 43mm case diameter and a black dial with a classic understated presentation. It uses a Japanese automatic movement and a fully stainless steel bracelet, delivering a more traditional dress watch vibe with a slightly larger footprint than the 96A120. The absence of a calendar and a stationary bezel aligns with a clean aesthetic, while water resistance remains modest at 30 meters. Performance-wise, the 43mm case with a 12.15mm thickness sits as a substantial yet balanced daily wearable on many wrists. The all-metal bracelet ensures durability and a more formal look when paired with business attire. The watch's skeleton appeal is less prominent here due to the more conventional dial design, but the transparent caseback still offers a peek at the movement. The relatively light 5.43-ounce weight helps comfort, though the 30-meter water resistance again limits activities near water or heavy sweating. List number 4. Bulova Men's Automatic Dress Classic Surveyor Watch. The Bulova 97A175 Surveyor brings a full skeleton dial to a compact 41mm stainless steel case with a black dial and brown leather strap. It emphasizes dramatic movement visibility with a 42-hour power reserve, which is relatively modest by modern standards, but sufficient for daily wear. The domed mineral crystal contributes to an elevated dress watch feel, while water resistance remains at 30 meters. Performance-wise, this model is the most aggressively skeleton-focused in the lineup, delivering maximum visual drama for horology enthusiasts. The 41mm footprint makes it comfortable for smaller to medium wrists, though the relatively slim 13.45mm thickness keeps it wearable under cuffed shirts. The 42-hour power reserve means longer gaps between wears won't stop the watch from running, but it may require more frequent winding if left dormant. The leather strap adds warmth and classic style, but leather wear and moisture sensitivity should be considered for daily use.
List number 5. Fossil Men's Grant Quartz Stainless Steel. The Fossil ME399 Grant combines a traditional analog dial with a multi-function quartz chronograph, brown leather strap, and a stainless steel case at 44mm. While not a true skeleton watch, its open collar chronograph styling and elevated numerals give a nod to vintage skeleton-inspired aesthetics by exposing subdials and a layered dial plane. Quartz movement prioritizes accuracy and low maintenance with a broad, casual-to-dress versatility. Performance-wise, the ME399 represents strong value for a large, feature-rich timepiece. The 44mm case offers a bold presence, while the 22mm leather strap maintains proportion with the case. The mechanism ensures precise timekeeping and minimal maintenance, but it sacrifices the mechanical fascination skeleton lovers seek. The 165-foot water resistance makes it suitable for everyday wearing and occasional splashes, and the chronograph function adds practically timing utilities for daily tasks and events.